Hey guys, just want to do a informational video for you. So yesterday I posted your assignments for the week. Notice that I did leave a schedule for that, a suggested schedule for each day. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Feel free to follow that. However, if you would like to work ahead, that is totally up to you. But I would be cautious about working behind, just because it might sneak up on you. There is a due date on March the 28th, I think is what I put it. So basically through Saturday to get those assignments turned in. Now, if you have some situation or scenario where you need to let me know about, please do that now. Don't wait till Friday to let me know if you've got some situations or scenarios or something's not working for you. Then please let me know that now. I will have office hours daily between 12 and 1 p.m. But you can contact me anytime and I will get back to you. Also, I hope you guys are doing well. As you could see, or maybe you've heard yesterday, we will be doing this through at least May the 15th as of now. So if you have questions about things, please let me know. I'm going to do my best to stay on top of my email and make sure that I can answer your questions. Thank you, and you guys need anything, just let me know.